Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. If you're watching this video, chances are your washing machine has thrown the TE error code, or your washing machine stopped mid-cycle, or it's just flat out not draining. And you're probably freaking out, right? However, you're not allowed to freak out, because in this video we're going to show you a secret that repairmen or repair shops that deal with washing machines don't want you to know. So we are going to show you how to do it, and maybe this will actually fix your machine and allow it to run through the cycle properly. So as you can see, I'm outside. It's a beautiful day, but I got to go inside to show you the actual secret. Let's take a look. Back at the washing machine, and we are going to select the power button and come all the way over to the spin speed button, and you want to press it until the light illuminates the no spin. And our washing machine at this point has no water in it. In the event that you are experiencing the TE code, chances are you have a lot of water in it. So once you press play, your cycle will begin the draining cycle. Your drain pump will drain out all that water inside the tub, and when it is all done, it is going to give you the end of cycle error warning. However, since we do not have any water in it, it might go very fast. So spin speed again on no spin. Let's go ahead and select play. So you'll notice you heard a click, and that very first click was the door locking mechanism activating and closing and locking this door. And then again, since we don't have any water, the drain pump basically didn't have anything to drain, so it went immediately to the end of cycle error warning, as you just saw here. And then soon after that, you heard the door locking mechanism click a second time, and that was deactivating the locking mechanism and unlocking the door. However, again, your washing machine probably has a lot of water, so your drain pump will run for probably a good 2 to 3 minutes. And at that point, what I recommend, let the washer sit in the off position for about 15 minutes, and this may allow the washing machine to reset itself and clear that TE error code. After that, go ahead and run a new cycle and test the entire cycle and make sure that it goes through the entire cycle without throwing that TE error code. In the event that that TE error code does not come back, awesome. However, in the event that it does, we will move on to step number 2. And step 2 video you will see at the end of this video. Definitely check it out. That's it, YouTubers. I hope the video helped. However, if it does not, you're still not allowed to freak out, because there are a couple additional things that we can try and troubleshoot and try to get that washing machine back up and running properly. And now these next steps are not going to cost you any money, nor are they going to require you to take anything apart. So with that said, join us at the next video. You will see videos at the end of this video. Do us a favor with this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching. And again, don't freak out, not yet. We've got more troubleshooting to do. We'll see you at the next video.